Final review before our test tomorrow. We're going to do these problems. I would suggest that you pause the video as soon as you write the problem down, try it yourself, and then go back and see how to do it. All right, let's go on to our first problem. Number 17. Pause for a moment, try to work it yourself, and then go back. Okay, number 17 is a problem that you would do by substitution. I'm going to circle the x, and I'm going to circle the x in the other equation. I'm going to rewrite the second equation, negative y minus 2, drop out the x, equals 8. In the place of the x, fill in y minus 7. That gives me negative y minus 2y plus 14 equal 8. Negative 3y plus 14 equal 8. Subtract 14 from each side. Negative 3y is negative 6, and y is 2. So I know the y value is 2. Now I've got to take the 2, plug it back into the y value. And so x is equal to 2 minus 7, which is negative 5. The solution is negative 5, 2. Number 18, write it down. Pause the video so that you can see if you know how to do it. On number 18, these are set up so that both of the equations are equal to a number. Therefore, it's set up for elimination. I don't really want to eliminate the 1/2 and the 3. That doesn't look like much fun. So I think I'm going to eliminate the y values. If I multiply by 4 on the top line, that gives me 2x plus 4y equals 36. I'm going to rewrite the second equation. And if you notice, the y's are going to eliminate. 5x equals 30, and x is 6. Pretty easy. Now I've got to take the 6 and plug it back in. I kind of like the first equation for this because 1/2 of 6 is pretty easy to do. So I'm going to put the x there. 1/2 times 6 plus y is 9. Half of 6 is 3. Subtract 3 from each side, and y is 6. So the solution to number 18 is 6, 6. Okay, go ahead and write down 24 and 25. Pause, and then you'll see the solutions. On number 24, it's set up for substitution. I'm going to circle the y and plug it in. Put the negative 4x in place of y. So 3x plus negative 4x equals 2. That gives me negative 1x equals 2, and x is negative 2. Take the 2, plug it in for x. Y is negative 4 times negative 2, and y is 8. So the solution to 24 is negative 2, 8. Now that problem is way too easy to be on a test question. Number 25, both of these are equal to y. So using substitution, I'm going to put the negative 2x plus 1 in place of y. Negative 2x plus 1 equals 1/3 x minus 6. I don't really like that 1/3, so I think I'm going to multiply everything by 3 to get rid of my fraction. That gives me negative 6x plus 3. The 3's cancel, and I have 1x minus 18. Letters to the left, negative 7x plus 3 is negative 18. Numbers to the right, negative 7x is negative 21, and x is 3. So on this problem, the x value is 3. The y value, I've got to take the 3, plug it in for x. So y is going to be negative 2 times 3 plus 1, which is negative 6 plus 1, negative 5. So the solution is 3, negative 5. Next set of problems, please write them down, try them by yourself, and then come back to me. I'll be waiting for you. Number 26 appears to be substitution. So I'm going to circle the y and circle the y. Only the y, don't circle the 2. I'm going to take this negative 2x plus 2 and put it in place of y. So 2 parentheses equals negative 3x. In place of the y is negative 2x plus 2. Now distribute. Negative 4x plus 4 is negative 3x. I need to put my letters together, so I think I'm going to move the 4x to the right. And that was pretty easy. 4 equals x. So I know my x value is 4. Take the 4, plug it into x, and y is going to be negative 2 times the x value plus 2, which is negative 8 plus 2, or negative 6. So the y value is negative 6. 4, negative 6. Number 27 is set up for elimination. It's pretty easy. Look right there. The y's cancel. 4x is 8. Divide both sides by 4. X is 2. Now I have to take the 2 and plug it back in. Which one looks easier? All right, let's try the top one. 2 minus y is 0. Subtract 2 from each side. Negative y is negative 2. So positive y is positive 2. The solution to 27 is 2, 2. All right, let's try another one. 28. These are both y equals, so I have to set them equal to each other. I'm going to take 1/4 x plus 5 and substitute it in for y. So 1/4 x plus 5 is equal to 1/4 x minus 3. Now I'm thinking right now that when I try to subtract this 1/4 x and this 1/4 x, they're going to completely cancel, and I have 5 as negative 3, which is no solution. Now I could have looked in the very beginning, since they have the same slope and different y-intercepts, they are not going to intersect at all. They're going to be parallel lines, and parallel lines have no solution. 33, write the problem down, and then we'll try it together. 33, if you notice, they're set up for substitution. The 2x's cancel. So 2y is equal to negative 6, or y is negative 3. So my y value is negative 3. I like the bottom equation, so I'm going to plug it in. Negative 3 plus 2x is negative 5. Add 3 to each side. 2x is negative 2. X is negative 1. And I'm done. All right, next problem, 39. I believe I added this problem because we didn't have it in the homework written down, but you do need to do it. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, you know what? We're going to skip 39 and go on to 40. If you'd like to do 39, the solution is one solution, and I'm not sure what that solution is, but it does have a point that it works out to intersect. Number 40 is a really important problem. If you look at number 40, you will notice that it's not set up for anything. I have to set it up for either substitution or elimination. The first one is set up for elimination. So I think I'm going to rearrange the second one and take this y right here, move it to the other side so that I can do elimination. So I'm going to add y to each side. X plus 1/2 y equals 3, and 2x plus y equals 6. Now practice this problem several times and make sure you know how to do it. I need the x's to cancel, so I think I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 2. I get 2x, the 2's cancel, plus 1y equals 6. And on the bottom, I have 2x plus 1y equals 6. Oh my goodness, looky there. If I change all the signs, everything cancels, and the solution to this is infinitely many, or they also intersect at all the same solutions because they are the same line. That's it. I'm also going to put on my website the problems that we did today in class. So I'm not going to work them all out, but I do have the PowerPoint that goes with them. Have a great evening. I will see you after school today from 2:45 until 3:15, or in the morning at 6:40. Go Bearcats!